खुशनसीब होता है वो सैनिक जो देश के काम आता है.
I, along with the members of my class, wishing a very auspicious morning to our most honorable MD sir, principal ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. The topic of our annual function is Kargil Victory Day.
India is celebrating 23rd anniversary of Kargil Victory Day. On 26 July, on this day in 1999, the Kargil conflict formally came to an end with Indian soldiers successfully recapturing mountain height that has been seized by Pakistan intruders. This is only possible through the valor of the soldiers of the armed forces.
God speaks in the silence of heart listening is the beginning of prayer. So join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for Hindi prayer.
Possibilities. So to enlighten us and brighten our annual function, I would like to call Suhani for Thought of the Day.
Thought of the day is freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts, memories of our soul. I repeat my thought, freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts, memories of our soul. Jai Bharat, Kargil Victory Day.
Story of recapturing every inch of the mountain, a story of unflinching commitment, a story of valiant sacrifice for nation. We salute our heroes for their noble sacrifice has brought a Kargil Victory Day upon us. Now we, the students of class 6th, you are going to present a skit on the topic Kargil Victory Day.
March past, see. Tashi Nangyal, a shepherd, was searching for his lost yak on top of the Banju Hills in the Patalik sector. While looking through his binoculars, he saw Pakistani intruders patrolling the area. He immediately rushed to confirm the nearest Indian Army post about the infiltration of Pakistani army.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Pakistan soldiers were digging bunkers and some of them were armed.
Did you see how many they were in numbers?
It was not possible for me to ascertain their number, but I was sure of one thing, that they had come from the other side of the LOC line of control.
Thank you. You have given very important information. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Jai Hind.
Scene 2. Meeting scene.
This is report time. Over.
Report to headquarters.
Jai Hind, sir.
Carry out detailed survey with Inspector News is that a few Pakistani soldiers crossed over into a territory from the LOC.
If you notice any suspicious activity, get in touch with us immediately and pass us the information.
Don't worry, sir. We will crush and push them back across the LOC.
Okay, good luck.
Jai Hind.
Scene 3. Meeting scene of senior army officers.
From this information, it looks like they are all over the place. The Mushko Valley, Dras sector and Batalik. They have occupied our bunkers also.
Sir, the enemy plan is very simple, to cut off Kashmir from Ladakh by hitting National Highway number 1.
Sir, the maximum mobilization must take place in the Kargil sector.
The enemies are sitting on the top and we have to attack from below.
Sir, so let's cross the LOC and cut off the enemy from behind so that we lose less life.
Yes, we will cross the LOC and so let's move. So first of all, 1 by 11 Gorkha Regiment, Colonel Lalit Rai will take command.
Okay sir, I will be there. Jai Hind.
Now, 18 Grenadiers Regiment, Colonel Khushal Thakur, move your battalion and stop all operations in Kashmir Valley.
Okay, sir. Jai Hind.
13. Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, Major Yogesh Kumar Joshi, you will take command.
Okay, sir. Jai Hind.
17. Jat Regiment, Colonel Umesh Singh Bawa. Umesh Singh Bawa, move your battalion to Kargil sector immediately.
Okay, sir. Jai Hind.
Have moved towards Kargil sector. After the fight, our soldiers were able to capture the Tololing Peak and after that Tiger Hill. The Indian Army won a resounding victory by hoisting the Indian tricolor on Tiger Hill.
It's a story of pain with pride, a story when you will have tears of grief with a joyful smile, a strong story where death is not the end. So here comes some student of my class to discuss on topic Kargil Victory Day.
On May 3, 1999, several armed Pakistani troopers and terrorists were spotted by local shepherds in the mountainous region of Kargil. They alerted the army officers.
On 5th May 1999, Indian Army Jawans were sent out in response to infiltration reports in the area. At least 5 Indian Army Jawans were killed by the Pakistani troops.
On 9th May 1999, Pakistan Army resorts to heavy shelling targeting Indian Army ammunition depots in Kargil.
On 10th May 1999, Pakistan Army personnel infiltrate into other parts of Jammu and Kashmir.
including Dras and Kaksar sectors across the LOC line of control.
Mid-May, Indian Army launches Operation Vijay, moves in more soldiers from the Kashmir Valley to Kargil district to stop infiltration attempts. Meanwhile, Pakistan Army denied involvement into the attack.
On 26 May 1999, Indian Air Force launches airstrikes, eliminates several Pakistani infiltrators.
On June 1, 1999, Pakistan carries out more attacks and targets National Highway 1. France and the US hold Pakistan responsible for the military operation against India.
5th June 1999, Indian releases document that reveal Pakistan's army involvement. And on 9th June 1999, Indian Army Jawan recapture 2 key positions in Jammu and Kashmir's Batalik sector.
On 13 June 1999, Pakistan suffers a major jolt as Indian Armed Forces recapture Tololing Peak. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the Indian Prime Minister, visits Kargil.
On 20 June 1999, Indian Army recaptured key position near Tiger Hill. On 4 July 1999, Indian Army recaptured Tiger Hill.
On 5th July 1999, Pakistan Prime Minister announces Pakistani Army's withdrawal from Kargil after international pressure.
On 12 July 1999, Pakistani troopers were forced to retreat. And on 14 July, Indian Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee declares Army's Operation Vijay a success.
On 26 July 1999, India emerges victorious as Army recaptures all the positions occupied by Pakistan. Kargil War, which lasted for over 2 months and 3 weeks, finally comes to an end.
Over 500 Indian soldiers laid down their lives to save our motherland. Over 3,000 Pakistani soldiers and terrorists were killed during the war.
Never enough to express our gratitude towards our beloved heroes and martyrs who gave life doing what they believe is good for our country. So let's know about some of our great soldiers who died for our country in the Kargil War.
J.K. Rifle was born on 9 September 1974. He was an officer of the Indian Army, the Tiger of Trust, the Kargil hero. Pakistani Army called him Sher Shah. Captain Vikram Batra was awarded with the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest and most prestigious award for valor for his actions during the 1999 Kargil War in Kashmir.
I will either come back after raising the Indian flag in victory or return wrapped in it. Dil mange more. Jai Hind.
Born on 17 October 1973, Balwant Singh planted the Indian tricolour atop the Tiger Hill and was later awarded the Mahavir Chakra for his bravery.
टाइगर हिल पे तिरंगा फहरा कर आएंगे चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. We will hold the tricolor atop the Tiger Hill, come what may. Jai Hind.
Captain Anuj Nair, born on 28 August 1975. He was an Indian Army officer of 17 Jat Regiment. He was awarded the Mahavir Chakra, India's second highest gallantry award, for exemplary valor in combat during operations in the Kargil War in 1999.
I have enhanced my skills in the art of fighting with weapons, knives and my bare hands. The day will never come when I will admit defeat. Jai Hind.
Pandey was an Indian Army officer, 11th Gorkha Rifles, born on 25th June 1975. He displayed most conspicuous bravery, outstanding leadership and devotion to duty and made supreme sacrifice. He was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest medal for gallantry. His actions have led to him being referred to as the hero of Batalik.
If death strikes before I prove my blood, I swear I will kill death. Jai Hind.
Major Vivek Gupta was born on 2nd Jan 1970, Since his childhood, Vivek had been listening the stories about life in army from his father, Colonel B.R.S. Gupta. Vivek commissioned in the 2nd Rajputa Rifles. Major Vivek Gupta was awarded Mahavir Chakra for his distinguished act for valor during the Kargil War.
You should feel proud of me. I am contributing something for the nation in this uniform. I have vowed. Being a company commander at this time is the greatest experience one can have. Jai Hind.
Classical dance is an experience that cannot be expressed in words. So here comes some girls of our class to present a beautiful classical patriotic dance in front of you.
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना
literature that uses aesthetic and rhythmic qualities of language. So here come some students of our class to present a Hindi poem.
हम भारतीय हैं, ये भारत हमारा विश्वास है, इस पर कुर्बान होने वालों पर हमें नाज है। कारगिल की वो लड़ाई थी, ऊपर तक बड़ी बड़ी चट्टानें और चढ़ाई थी। कारगिल मिसाल है, सुलगती हुई शौर्य की मशाल है। आज भी खून से सनी जमीन पर आज भी मिटने वाले का नाम है। आत्मविश्वास से लड़ रही थी सेना,
बढ़ाते आगे, निशाने पर थी दुश्मन सेना। लहूलुहान शरीर था पर मुख पर एक ही नारा था, तिरंगा प्यारा झुक ना पाए यही प्रण हमारा था। तिरंगा प्यारा झुक ना पाए यही प्रण हमारा था। 2 महीने 3 हफ्ते 2 दिन की मेहनत लाई रंग। 26 जुलाई 1999 को ऑपरेशन विजय ने जंग जिताई। हे वीर तुम्हारे हौसले को सलाम है, भारत माँ के लाल तुम्हें शीश झुका प्रणाम है। आओ फिर एक बार विजय का जश्न मनाते हैं, आज उन्हीं के सम्मान में तिरंगा फिर से फहराते हैं, तिरंगा फिर से फहराते हैं।
The patriotic song is one which inspires feeling of pride in one's country. So here come Soumya and Simar Sidana of our class to present a beautiful English song.
I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. It's a country of great people. It's a country of leaders. It's a country of people. It's a country of brave leaders. It's a country of sacrifices. It's a country of secularity. It's a country of sacrifices. It's a country of secularity. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. It's a wonderful country. It's an amazing country. I am proud to be an Indian. We are proud to be the Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. The Indian.
Life is a song, sing it. Life is a game, play it. Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is a dream, realize it. Life is a sacrifice, offer it. Life is a love, enjoy it. मैं मुल्क की हिफाजत करूँगा, ये मुल्क मेरी जान है, इसकी रक्षा के लिए मेरा दिल और जान कुर्बान है. Now let's enjoy Hindi group song. मेरा तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू. करम अपना करेंगे, हर
we develop with multiple layers. So here comes Suryadev of our class to present an instrumental performance in front of you.
We salute and pay our humble tribute to the brave soldiers who died protecting it. We will be always grateful to you for your supreme sacrifice, valor and courage.
हाँ माँ, हाँ मैं सही ढंग से पहुँच गया और हमारी पोस्टिंग अभी कश्मीर में है, हम वहीं जा रहे हैं। हाँ छोटी, हाँ इस रक्षाबंधन में पक्का आऊँगा, बस तू अपना और माँ और बाबूजी का ध्यान रखना। चल ठीक है, बाय।
से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। निकले हैं मैदान में हम जहाँ हथेली पर लेकर, अब देखो थम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर। से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है, मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हमें ताकत है। हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है तैयार है। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई दम है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जहाँ बोर सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा।
इस इलाके के सबसे ऊंचे पॉइंट पे मैं अपने तिरंगे को लहराते हुए देखना चाहता हूँ।
हर रास्ते में, हर वादी में, हर पर्वत में सदा दिन हम जीतेंगे, हम जीतेंगे, हम जीतेंगे हर बार।
क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद